Yeah.
Right, we're going Cú Chulainn.
Theme park insanity, coaster rest repeat. I'll tell you at the end. Fucking hell, so what are we doing?
I mean, it's already feeling rough. We're only on the lift hill. Bloody hell. Right, let's do this. Oh, wow, that's one hell of it. Oh, my God. Whoa! Whoa! It's like a car crash on wheels. Rough as a sack of spanners. Oh. Oh. Woo!
You know what, that wasn't that bad.
No, actually,
When you've ridden bloody thingy recently, Furious back on what you rode.
that wasn't as bad as Luke Grew, and it wasn't quite as rough as Tornado Zeus, but it's still rough.
It was a bit where it like tough.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Horrible thing, horrible. There you go, Cú Chulainn.